In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for a hotel with Klarna. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tony's Autos. Today, we're branching out a bit and diving into the world of hotel bookings, specifically how you can manage these reservations using Klarna. Before we jump into that, don't forget to check out our latest offers right below this video. Now, let's get right into it. First things first, if you want to book a hotel with Klarna, you need to ensure that the platform you're choosing supports it. Klarna partners with a variety of services, so our journey begins by heading over to their official website, klarna.com. Once you're on the homepage, you should notice a search bar near the sign in button. Here you'll type in hotel. This will direct you to a list of products and services that Klarna associates with hotel bookings. As you scroll down a little, you'll uncover a range of Klarna's partner platforms where you can book hotels. For example, let's take a look at hotels.com, click on the link, and you'll be whisked away to another Klarna page that explains in detail how you can use Klarna for payments on hotels.com. Once there, spot the hotels.com logo on the right-hand side and give it a click. This should open up the official hotels.com website. Now that we've arrived here, it's time to dive into booking a hotel. Let's run through this with an example. Imagine you've got your site set on London. Pop that into the search bar, confirm the dates you plan to stay, add the number of travelers, and hit search. Voila! You'll see a list of available hotels spring up before you. Find one that piques your interest and click to delve into more details. After this, select a room that suits your needs. You'll find prices listed alongside various room options. For our walkthrough today, I'll go ahead and pick a more budget-friendly choice just to illustrate the point. Once you've made your selection, click Reserve to proceed. Now comes an essential part of the process, entering your details. This involves 3 simple steps. First, you need to provide your name, email, and phone number. Next, check over the property details, ensuring everything aligns with your travel plans. Then, you'll move on to the final step, which is payment details. Here is where Klarna comes into play. If Klarna is indeed supported in your region, it should appear seamlessly among the payment options. Simply select Klarna and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to wrap up your booking, and that's it. You've successfully navigated the process of booking a hotel using Klarna. If for some reason Klarna doesn't show up for you, it likely means the service isn't accessible in your area just yet. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.